Welcome to the PlugXR platform. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of creating your first immersive experience. Let's get started. First, head over to our website at creator.plugxr.com. Whether you're a newbie or a returning user, we've got you covered. Sign up for a new account or log in to your existing one. Once you're in, buckle up, because we're about to take a dive into our incredible templates library, filled with endless possibilities. Or if you're feeling adventurous, create something totally unique from scratch by clicking the new button. Our platform offers augmented reality, virtual reality, and Web 3D applications. Today, let's focus on creating a mind-blowing web-based AR image target experience that will leave your audience in awe. Click on the Augmented Reality tab, followed by Image Target. Give your project a cool name, and here's where the magic begins. You can choose to create a browser-based or mobile app-based AR experience. For now, let's stick with a mind-blowing browser WebAR for this demo. Now, you might be wondering about tracking options. We've got two amazing choices for you: basic and advanced. While both are great, the advanced option takes your experience to a whole new level with improved stability and additional features. So why settle for anything less? Let's go for the advanced option. Time to upload your target marker image. Select an image from your local system that will serve as the foundation for your AR experience. Covering all angles, you get to define the tracking area as either portrait or landscape. Remember, the image should be in JPEG format and not exceed 2 MB in size. Awesome! Now that your image is submitted, brace yourself for the moment of creation. You'll be transported to the grid page, where your ultimate immersive experience awaits. The top bar unlocks an array of tools at your disposal. Let's start by adding some exciting assets to your marker. Click on the Assets button and let the fun begin. Choose from our extensive library or import your own 3D models, images, audio, videos, 3D text, you name it. The possibilities are endless. Wait, did we mention that we've partnered with Sketchfab? That's right, you can import assets from Sketchfab as well. Plus, if you have your own server, you can connect it directly to import assets hassle-free. Now, let's jazz up your creation by scaling the video to the perfect size. And why stop there? Let's add some more spice to the scene with 3D text and a stunning 3D model. But we're not done yet. We've got a surprise for you: animations. Head over to the animation section in the bottom left corner and bring your assets to life with mesmerizing animations. Let's arrange the assets to desired position on your marker by using the controls. You've done an amazing job so far. Click that Publish button and get ready to witness the magic. Once published, you'll receive a QR code and a link to access your mind-blowing AR experience. Grab your phone, scan the QR code, and grant camera access permissions. Now, point your device at the target image and get ready to be blown away by the immersive wonderland you've created. Enjoy the show.